A lot of people think AI agents are only for programmers, big companies, or people paying hundreds of dollars every month. That's completely wrong. Right now, you can use powerful AI agents for free, and they can do things that normally take hours of manual work. For example, imagine you need to research a topic, write an email, create social media content, summarize documents, plan a trip, or even help with business tasks. Instead of doing everything yourself, an AI agent can handle most of the work for you. So here's exactly how to use AI agents for free. First, open a browser and visit a free AI platform that offers agent features. Many platforms now provide free access with daily limits, which is more than enough for most users. Once you sign up, look for options like Agent, Research, Assistant, or Task Automation. This is where the magic happens. Instead of asking a simple question like, "What is digital marketing?" give the AI a complete task. For example, research digital marketing trends in 2026, summarize the findings, and create a content plan for a small business. Notice the difference? You're not asking for information, you're assigning a job. That's exactly how AI agents work. The better your instructions, the better the results. You can also upload files, PDFs, spreadsheets, or documents and ask the agent to analyze them. Business owners can use this for reports. Freelancers can use it for client work. Agencies can use it for content creation. Startup founders can use it for market research. Another powerful trick is giving the agent multiple steps. For example, find the top competitors in my niche, compare their pricing, identify weaknesses, and create a marketing strategy. Instead of completing one task, the AI agent performs a workflow. And the best part? Most free AI agents can save you hours every week. Just remember one thing: always review the output before using it. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Think of it as a super fast assistant, not a replacement for human judgment. If you're a student, freelancer, business owner, content creator, or even someone who simply wants to save time, learning how to use AI agents today can give you a huge advantage. The people who learn to work with AI agents now will be far ahead of those who ignore them. So start experimenting, give the AI real tasks, and let it do the heavy lifting while you focus on what actually matters.